So, hello everyone. So, in the previous class, we discussed about uh, what is meant by consignment, consignor, consignee, agent, principal, types of commissions, pro forma invoice, goods sent on consignment, advance, commission, account sales, and its pro forma. So see here once again I am repeating. So what is meant by consignment? Consignment is nothing but the owner, means the trader. The person trader is called as a consignor. The person who wants to increase their sales in different areas, the person is called as consignor. For that, he may require more manpower in different areas. For that, he may appoint some persons. The person is called as consignee. For consignee, consignor will pay the commission for selling the goods. Okay, and the relationship between consignor and consignee is principal and agent relationship. The process of transferring the goods from consignor to consignee is called as goods sent on consignment account. Goods sent on consignment account. Okay. Consignee is responsible only for selling the goods. Okay. Consignee is responsible for only selling the goods. Okay. Consignor will send the goods to consignee. Okay. For that, he prepares a statement. It is called pro forma invoice. It contains all the information like what are the goods to be transferring, how many, what are the quality, marking, packing, pricing, total all details should be mentioned in that statement, which is prepared by consignor. It is called as pro forma invoice. It is sent to consignee along with the transferring of the goods. Okay. While consignee receives the goods, then he is find the pro forma invoice and he will see the details and what are the goods received and what are the costs of their goods, what are the markings are there, packings, price, minimum cost, maximum cost, selling price or marketing price. So whatever it may be, it is mentioned in pro forma invoice. Okay. Advance. Consignor will receive some amount or some money from consignee in the form of an advance. Why? Because for safety purpose, consignor will charge some amount from consignee. Okay, later he will return that advance to the consignee. Okay, first of all, consignor will receive some amount from the consignee for safety purpose. Okay, commission. Commission is payable to consignee. Commission is payable to consignee for selling the goods, and the commission is paid by the consignor. Okay, like that. Account sales and its pro forma. Account sales is prepared by consignee. It contains what are the goods are sold, what are the goods are sold, how many, what are the prices of that. So all should be mentioned in that, and in that commission will be deducted, expenses incurred for sales to be deducted, advance to be deducted in that from that, and net amount should be paid to the consignor. And account sales is prepared by consignee. Okay. There are different types of commissions, two types. One is ordinary and daily creditory. Ordinary commission is nothing but for selling the goods, consignee may receive commission. It is called as ordinary commission. Whereas daily creditory commission means consignee will receives an extra commission on ordinary commission. It is called as a daily creditory. Daily creditory commission receives to, by consignor to consignee only in such case when it means only in case of credit sales. If the amount may not recover or bad debts occurs, the consignee recovers the amount or consignee may bond that loss. For that, consignee may charge some extra commission on ordinary commission. So that extra commission is called as an daily creditory commission. So see here, these are all the in the previous class we discussed. So journal entries. See here, while goods are sent to the consignee from the consignor, goods sent to the consignee means from goods sent from consignor to consignee. Consignment account debtor to consignment, goods sent on consignment account. Okay, like so journal entries in the books of consignor for expenses incurred by consignor, consignment account debtor to bank account being expenses incurred. Journal entries in the books of consignor for advance received from the consignee, banks, cash, bills receivable, etc. Debtor to account debtor to consignee being the advance amount received. Journal entries in the books of consignor. See here, when the bill is discounted with bank, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable account. Okay. We understood these journal entries only by preparing of consignments account. Okay. For goods sold by the consignee, consignee account debtor to consignment account. For expenses incurred by the consignee, expenses incurred by the consignee, consignment account debtor to consignor account being the expenses incurred by consignee. For commission payable to consignee, consignment account debtor to consignee account being the commission payable to consignee. For transferring profit to profit and loss account, consignment account debtor to profit and loss account being the profit is transferred to profit and loss account, transferred to. For transferring loss to the profit and loss account, profit and loss account debtor to consignment account. So for settlement of an account with consignee, cash account, bills account, bank account data to consignee account being the net amount received. For closing the goods sent on consignment account, goods sent on consignment account data are to trading account or purchase account being the goods sent on consignment closed. So these are the journal entries are there. So see here, for goods sent on consignment, who will send the goods to whom? The consignor will send the goods to consignee. So the transaction is called as the process called as a goods sent on consignment account. In consignment account, in debit side, we have to write to goods sent on consignment account. In goods sent on consignment account credit side, we have to mention consignment account data. How much is goods are sent to consignee, that should be entered here. Next one, expenses incurred by the consignor means consignment account data to cash account or bank. So in consignment account debit side, we have to write to bank account or cash account. Bank account or cash account credit side, we have to write by consignment account amount. Advance received from consignee. Who will receive advance? Consignor will receive advance from consignee. Bank account, cash, bill, receivable account data are to consignee account. So in bank account or cash account or bills receivable account debit side, we have to write to consignee and write the amounts. Being the narration is being the advance amount received. When the bill is discounted with the bank, in that case, in bank account, we have to write to bills receivable and write an amount. Discount account debit side, we have to write to bills receivable, discount, we have to write discount amount. In bills receivable account credit side, we have to write bank and discount. Total amount should be written here. Goods sold by the consignee. Whenever goods is sold by consignee, the journal entry is like that. Consignee account data to consignment account. So in consignee account debit side, we have to write consignment account. In consignment account credit side, we have to write consignee. The amount should be posted. Expenses incurred by consignee, consignment account data or to consignee account. In consignment account debit side, we have to write to consignee. In consignee account credit side, we have to write consignment account. And we have to mention the amount. For commission payable to consignee, means consignment account data to consignee account. So in consignment account debit side, we have to write consignee and write the commission, being the commission payable to consignee. Next, in consignee account credit side, we have to write by consignment and what are the commission is there, how much is there, so we have to mention there. For transferring profit or to profit and loss account, consignment account debtor to profit and loss account being the profit transfer to profit and loss account. In consignment account debit side, we have to write to P&L account or to profit and loss account. For transferring the loss to profit and loss, so profit and loss account data are to consignment account. In profit and loss account, we have to uh, mention the loss. In profit and loss account debit side, we have to write to consignment, an amount should be written. In consignment account credit side, by profit and loss account, we have to mention the loss account. For settlement of an account with consignee, cash, bank, bills receivable account data are to consignee. So cash account debit side or bank or bills, whatever may be in the debit side, how to mention consign to consignee, the amount will be right. Mention. In consignee account credit side, cash, bank, bills receivable, etc. will be mentioned. Okay. For closing the goods sent on consignment account, so goods sent on consignment account data are to trading purchase account. So goods sent on consignment account debit side, we have to write to trading account or purchase account. In purchases or trading account credit side, we have to write by goods sent on consignment account. So this is a summary. Okay. Journal entries in the books of consignor and consignee. The journal entries may use while preparing the consignment accounts in the books of consignee and consignor. See here, profit on consignment is transferred to which account? A. Profit and loss account. B. Consignment. C. Loss. D. Profit. A is the correct answer. Whatever the profit or whatever the loss occurred, that should be transferred to profit and loss account. Goods sent on consignment account is closed by transferring to profit and loss account, carry forward to next year, closed by transfer to trading account. Okay, closed by transferring to trading accounts. So bills receivable is discounted with consignor, with consignee, with customer, with banker. D is the right answer. Bill may be discounted in an emergency case. We may discount the bill with the bank. So see here some assignments, goods and expenses on consignor, expenses of consignee, commission, advance bill discounted, profit or loss transferred, like that. So by knowing these journal entries and introduction, we may prepare consignment accounts with an accuracy. It is very easy to prepare while knowing the introduction. Without knowing the introduction of consignment, we cannot prepare consignment accounts. For that, we have to concentrate and we have to revise once again. Okay, na? So, in the previous class, we discussed about introduction to consignor and consignee, consignment, advance, commission, different terms, types of commissions. From today's class, we learned that journal entries, posting, Okay. In the next class, from the next class, we may prepare the consignment accounts. Okay. Thank you.